What if the fastest way to build real strength isn't lifting heavier weights, but learning how to hold perfectly still? For centuries, practitioners from the Shaolin Monastery have used a small number of isometric holds to develop strength that looks impossible, breaking solid objects, holding positions for minutes that most people can't survive for seconds, and building bodies that remain unbreakable well into old age. But here's the problem. Most people try these holds and get nothing from them because they miss the one principle that actually makes them work. They strain, shake, and quit, believing isometrics don't build real strength. So what makes these movements different from every other bodyweight exercise? And what have most people been getting completely wrong about strength training? Today, I'm going to show you 3 Shaolin monk exercises designed to build real strength, control, and resilience, especially for men aged 50 to 70. When done correctly. Move 1. Bow stance. The bow stance. Before a Shaolin monk ever throws a punch, they first learn how to stand. But this stance is where all their power begins. Picture this. One leg forward, the other stretched back, knees bent, chest up, and your body as steady as a tree. That's the bow stance, or gongbu in Chinese. It looks calm, but after a few seconds, your legs start to shake, your heart beats faster, and your mind wants to give up. This exercise teaches something most modern workouts forget: how to stay calm and strong under pressure. When you hold this position correctly, your legs, hips, and core are all working hard even though you're not moving. Science calls this isometric training, and it helps make your tendons stronger, joints more stable, and endurance last longer. Here's why it matters. If your stance is weak, everything else, your punches, kicks, and movements lose power. But when your stance is strong, everything becomes smooth and powerful. How to do it? Take a big step forward about twice your shoulder width. Bend your front knee until it's right above your ankle. Keep your back leg straight, heel down, and toes pointing forward. Tighten your core. Lift your chest and hold your fists near your waist like a warrior. Start by holding it for 30 seconds on each side and slowly increase to 1 minute. Breathe steadily. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly. If your legs start shaking, that's good. It means your strength is waking up. Because true power doesn't start with movement. It starts with mastering stillness. Move 2. Unlock hidden finger strength. Think your grip strength is decent. Cool. Now, try doing push-ups on just your fingertips. That's how Shaolin monks train their hands to hit like steel and never fold under pressure. Why? Because in real combat, every ounce of power flows from the ground through your fingers. If your grip is weak, your strength goes nowhere. So they did something most people today would call insane: fingertip push-ups. No palms, no cheating, just raw pressure on the tips of your fingers, holding up your full body weight. And it wasn't just tradition. Modern research shows this kind of training does something wild. It makes your tendons denser, fires up the small muscles in your hands, and boosts your brain's ability to send power straight to your extremities. More grip, more control, less chance of injury. Here's how to try it. Place your hands on the floor, fingers spread, palms lifted. Lower into a push-up, keeping your body straight and core tight. Start on your knees if needed. Form comes first. Aim for 3 to 5 clean reps. No collapsing, because sometimes the smallest muscles are the ones that unlock the biggest strength. Move 3. Balance like a warrior. You ever try to fight while falling over? Exactly. Balance isn't optional. It's survival. Shaolin monks knew this. That's why from day one they trained like their life depended on staying upright. Because in a real fight, it does. Their go-to move, the crane stance. One leg up, body still, eyes locked in. It looks peaceful, but don't be fooled. Every muscle from your foot to your neck is working overtime to keep you from toppling. And modern science agrees. Single leg holds like this sharpen your body's internal GPS, aka proprioception, so you can react faster, stay cantered, and avoid injury. Your ankles, knees, hips, and core all syncing up like a squad to keep you grounded even when things get chaotic. Here's how to train it. Stand tall. Raise one knee so your thigh is parallel to the ground. Keep your torso upright. No leaning, no wobbling. Lock your eyes on one point to stay centered. Hold each leg for 30 seconds. Work up to 2 minutes. The goal? Stillness that holds under chaos, because only when you master balance can you master motion,